This 2023 Jeep Wrangler 4xe is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo gas, electric i4 2.0 L122 engine, and has 44,844 miles. Adventure awaits. Drive home a 2023 Jeep Wrangler 4xe today. Power, style, and sustainability. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.